Hello and welcome back to Grace by God, One Song, One Truth. Today's song is 360. Yesue olo toto, ia o mangaloi. Let's take a quick listen to the melody.
Yesue olo toto, ia o mangaloi. Aya une yana sala, mafama mainai. Ia seina lolo tova ngata ia taina pera elo ngangasa Yesue wa mativa ia Manusi etu mawaya
The first verse of this song reaffirms a very important truth from the Old Testament that was fulfilled in the New, and that is, without the shedding of blood, there is no remission or forgiveness of sin. In the Old Testament, the high priest had to offer sacrifices continually to atone for the people's sin. But in the New, Jesus offered the ultimate sacrifice that atoned for sins once and for all. Grace is God's unmerited favor to us. We cannot earn it, and we don't deserve it. This grace eliminates all human efforts to earn salvation. So these are the two beautiful messages from this song. The first one is, without the shedding of blood, there is no remission or forgiveness of sins. The second one is, we are saved by grace alone, through faith, and not by works, lest anyone should boast. So until the next song, may God keep you and make His face to shine upon you. Take care and God bless.